No, I'm already regretting my answer. She says we have an ice cream, we have an ice cream. Very good morning from Chongqing. Day 2. It is sunny, 9:30 in the morning almost, and we're on our tour. And we're gonna see what's waiting for us today. Today we're wearing our own shirts. Yes, with a nice little detail in the back, if you can make it. For our Chinese fans, scan me, Bilibili, directly to our channel. How cool is that? We had a good night's sleep. The rooms in the hotel are really nice. The breakfast was okay. So now let's see. We just crossed the bridge of the Yangtze River on the other side where we didn't go yesterday. So just orientating a bit. If you look over there, this is the Raffles, the big one, the tube on top of the 3 buildings. And to be very honest, I have no idea where we go right now. So let's see. Exciting. This is Longmenhao, I think he said. Let's see. China is just a winner when it comes to cute sales stands now, is it? Longmenhao Old Street. This is what we're doing.
This case, such kind of this weather and temperature in Chongqing, it is unusual. Here is glass, sit down, put on the glass, and then you can go inside.
I mean, would you have a look? We're alone here. There's nobody. Pretty interesting. So putting those protection thingies over the shoes, I have an idea what this might be now. Right, first problem, I ripped them apart because my shoes are apparently too big for that. So here we are, some grasses first, some greens, and then we go on to the... Oh, it's not really that high.
Right side, that's Rafta City. Okay, where is your cruiser? Where is your cruiser tomorrow afternoon?
Right there. So it is basically a nice viewing platform. This is where we went. And just have a look at those golden towers. Are you kidding me? This is so cool. Bling bling. So here we have some of the river cruises. There's one here. A beautiful bridge. Ah, the cable car is coming. Hold on. I don't know if you can make it. It's right there. There it is. This we're gonna take tonight, if everything goes after plan. And here apparently is where we're gonna catch our cruise ship tomorrow. It's right there. This is not ours, but this is where we're gonna catch it tomorrow. Right under Raffles City. building here was actually former site of the Embassy of Italy. Comes your pause moment, my friends. 3, 2, 1. Sauerkraut rice noodle. Elevator, we cheat. Cool telephone. Radio. It's a kind of camera. Cool. Coffee mill grinder. Tiny sewing machine. Wow. We're discussing here, those are just not the right colors. What I see here, many of the foods, even the fruits actually, they use a lot of coloring. I'm going to show you some examples later when I find them. And we arrived all the way down on the road.
Used to be American Army big box.
Huh. Up there is where we started. All the way up. Longmenhao Old Street. You know the drill. Pause moment. 3, 2, 1. There. Just right under the bridge right now. Going to another Old Street, Xiahao Lane. And apparently our guide asked us if we were afraid of steps. I said no. No, I'm already regretting my answer. The noise you hear is the train passing on the bridge above us. Metal or steel bridge. So it makes some sounds, of course. Other than that, still walking. On the other side, we always orientate on raffles. It's a landmark. Can't go wrong with that. Then we just walk around, see what we find. We have our guide, David, showing us all the hidden little things. And if you noticed, we are alone. Amazing, lovely. Again, timing couldn't be any better. Somehow we do things right. I don't know why or how, but we do. Must be the planning. Look at that. Half cars. Motorcycles. Not my thing, not our thing. We are car people. We love cars. Especially Chinese cars. EVs. Especially Neo. It's the new one. Currently we have a Hongqi, but Neo is going to be our next car. We decided that already. So this is where we go. Enter here. Xiahao Lane. What kind of fruits are those? Oh, look at that. Actually here in the tree. It's kind of red little fruits. There they are. We don't know them. If you know, please, do me the favor. Drop us a comment. Tell us what they are. I've never seen those before. Before guessing something wrong, I'll let you tell me. So, some water running here. Nice. Creates a good atmosphere. A nice peaceful place here. Oh, artists at work. Beautiful. Trying to figure the name. Say it again, please. You should have seen the hand movements with that. So, if you open a business, this is the kind of names you want. Makes people stop and trying to figure what it means or how to pronounce it. Nice little map of the place. Xiahao Lane. You see the red thing? This is where we are at the moment. Here. Oh my goodness, where do we go? All the way up? Yep, it certainly looks like that way. Okay, we go up, up, up. I think this is why he asked us if we were scared of stairs. Answer no was maybe wrong. Just said yes. Whew. Doing the touristic things so you don't have to. Yes, you can thank me later. Beautiful. So Fee said it's time for gelato. Time for gelato. Who am I to doubt her judgment? If she says we have an ice cream, we have an ice cream. That's simple. Let's see what they have here.